Welcome to the Bay of Islands, one of New Zealand's most breathtaking regions. Located in the Northland region, this paradise is made up of 144 islands surrounded by crystal clear waters, rich in both natural beauty and cultural heritage. Today, we'll take you through the highlights of Paihia, Russell, and the Bay of Islands. Paihia, gateway to the Bay of Islands. Paihia is known as the gateway to the Bay of Islands and is a bustling hub for travelers. Start your adventure by exploring the waterfront, lined with cafes, restaurants, and local shops. One must-visit spot is the Waitangi Treaty Grounds, where the founding Treaty of New Zealand was signed in 1840. Here, you can learn about Maori culture, explore the historic grounds, and even watch cultural performances. For adventure seekers, Paihia offers an array of water activities, including kayaking, snorkeling, and boat cruises to explore the nearby islands. Russell, a step back in time. A short ferry ride from Paihia takes you to Russell, a charming town steeped in history. Once known as the Hellhole of the Pacific, Russell was New Zealand's first capital and a bustling whaling town. Today, it's a peaceful village with beautiful colonial architecture, boutique shops, and art galleries. Visit the Christ Church, New Zealand's oldest church, or enjoy fresh seafood at a waterfront restaurant with stunning views. Russell is also a fantastic spot for dolphin watching and sunset cruises, making it a must-visit destination in the Bay of Islands. Bay of Islands, a natural paradise. The Bay of Islands is a playground for nature lovers. Take a boat cruise to explore Hole in the Rock, a famous natural rock formation. You can also visit Puka Island, the largest island in the bay, perfect for hiking, swimming, or picnicking on its pristine beaches. For wildlife enthusiasts, the Bay of Islands offers opportunities to see dolphins, whales, and even penguins in their natural habitats. Tips for your visit. Best time to visit. Summer months from December to February offer warm weather and calm waters, perfect for outdoor activities. Getting around. Ferries and boat tours are the best ways to explore the islands. Stay options. Paihia offers a range of accommodations, from luxury resorts to budget-friendly motels. The Bay of Islands is more than just a destination. It's an experience of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're exploring Paihia's waterfront, uncovering Russell's past, or cruising through the stunning islands, this region promises unforgettable memories. Let us know your favorite part of the Bay of Islands in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to OZ Traveler for more travel guides and adventures. See you in the next destination.